want to add a payment method to your TikTok account, then this video is actually for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add payment method to TikTok. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So looking right here on the screen is my home page on my TikTok app. Go ahead and click on the profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell as well, in order to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos on this channel. And don't forget to like this video, it's really going to help. So right here on your profile section of your TikTok app, just like this on your TikTok account, go ahead and click on the three line icon. You can see that at the top right corner of the screen. Then go ahead and click on balance. So when you click on balance, go ahead and click on view. You can see that on this place where you can see your balance. Go ahead and click on view, just like this. So right here you can see the monthly earnings, you can see the live rewards. You can click on it to expand it. So when you click on it to expand it, you're going to see the option of withdraw. So you can go ahead and click on withdraw like this. So here you need to click on add payment method. So mind you, the amount you can actually withdraw from TikTok is $100. You can only withdraw $100. So in order for you to add a payment method, you need to select your region. Click on this section and search for your region. After selecting your region, the payment method available for your region is going to appear here. So you can go ahead and click on PayPal. And for Nigerians, if you're having problem in creating a PayPal account, or you don't have a PayPal account, you can tell me on the comment section below and I'm going to direct you on how to do that. I'm going to make a video for you on that. So a code is going to be sent to your phone number linked to your TikTok account. Go ahead and input it. After inputting the code like this, go ahead and click on agree and continue. So when you do that, go ahead and click on add PayPal account. So right here I'm going to click on continue, but in your case they are going to actually ask you to input your email of your PayPal account and your password. So you need to know your email and password of your PayPal account, and you need to have created a PayPal account before trying to link it to TikTok. I need to make sure that the account is actually working. Now if the account is not actually working, for example, so I'm going to show you an example of what is going to happen if that PayPal account is not working. So TikTok has actually increased their security measures, and unlike before, you can't just link any PayPal account. The PayPal account needs to be working and it needs to be in a region where it is approved of. So you can go ahead and click on continue. So looking there, you can see processing. Unlike before, it is going to actually verify very fast, but now you can see that it's saying processing. So it's going to process and verify that PayPal account to know if that PayPal account can actually receive money in it, and if that PayPal account is from a good region. So if that PayPal account is not from a good region, that is when you're going to see a notification like this: couldn't add the payment method. This PayPal account is registered in a region that doesn't support the service. Add the PayPal account registered in other region, or contact PayPal for more details. So you need to make sure that the PayPal account you want to use is actually working. So once you input the email and the password of the PayPal account, you're going to see that it's going to show you payment linked successfully. So that's how simple it is to link your PayPal account to your TikTok account. Linking is not that difficult, but you need to create a very good PayPal account that can receive money, so you can be able to withdraw it into your local bank account. So if you don't have PayPal account, you can actually use Gray as well for Nigerians who doesn't have PayPal accounts. So guys, you've come to the very end of this video. Now like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell to get updated whenever we upload more helpful tips and tutorials. You can tell me in the comment section if you want me to make a video for you. See you in the next one.